Kublai Vibro, Jing Bitip Namta Khuborlaitkam, Kibalait Apokat, Director of Health Service, Department of Health and Family Welfare, Government of Meghalaya. Tiknebaro Gday contractual basis mo. Application from citizen of Meghalaya are originally required for appointment on a contractual basis for the following posts on the Director of Health Service, MCH and FW Meghalaya. Take a name of post, manager, number of posts, tangaway. Remuneration 45,000 per month. Tiki balong ban qualify. You have done experience. Postgraduate in management and business administration and health management from AICTE UGC approved. Recognized university with graduation in commerce. Video dan pertama gini di post po Shillong. Experience believe done at least 3 years of experience in monitoring and evaluation, quantitative and qualitative analysis, including 2 years of relevant experience in the health sector. Take two kibadon mo ka kam prefer kan day two kibadon ka experience, good knowledge on MS tool data analysis tool, good personal communication skill, both verbal and written. Kini kare po Shillong kane ka manager. Te kadon sa kajong ka accountant, post of accountant. The post of accountant creating away 30,000 per month. The qualification will even long master in commerce with 2 years of relevant experience. Nada pidap master and come 2 years of relevant experience. Nada pidap bachelor in commerce we don't come 4 years of relevant experience. Experience use Tylli to maintain account in previous work experience, sound knowledge of administrative procedure of the state government, knowledgeable in inventory control and procurement procedure, good experience and skill, providing logistic and facilitation to multi-stakeholder consultation, good computer skill in common word processing, MS Word, spreadsheet, MS Excel, good personal and communication skill, both verbal and written, appropriate English language skill, both spoken and written. Kini ko dihapo Shillong. Kan mau kata siap dan kamu experience desa lalapidon ni kita pila ban apply nam ta kane mar kane ko we kedai DEO data entry operator ma kane kadon Tylli ki post ki bakwa gila ban apply kane kedai 18,000 per month. Any graduate with 4 years of relevant experience in data entry. Lalapidon south name experience pila dap graduate pila ban apply kane ma. Experience they use MS tool, work in a government setup. Preference will be given to candidate with work experience. Kalau don't apply work experience, kan they preference untuk jungki. In the public health domain, sound knowledge of administrative procedure. Ini bro like Tylli kita hapo Shillong mah. Tetapi kuat men apply sal Lait LAITKAM ki jing batang ni. Qualified candidate pe yang ni. Qualified and interested candidate can submit their application electronically mau kena di online through Google form link below. Te kena ka link ngan bu apo description. Desa check na po description sa pandap igjun kambaro so submit ik soft copy kijong pi. Only on or before 4 PM of the 11/4/2023. Khatway tarik menai April 2023. Soft copy of their biodata, such like biodata, certificates and job experience. The application of the candidate will be screened and intimated into course. Any future information will be made known via appropriate channels. Kita penting bima. The all biodata and testimonial, including CV, resume, are to be scanned. Have scan in a single PDF file. Kawai back a PDF file. Belong less than 1 MB. The competent authority may relax the minimum years of experience if the number of candidates meeting the requirement is less. Preference will be given to candidates who are domiciled of Meghalaya, Kibadai Nambok Meghalaya and Ain Komeki. The office of the undesigned reserve the right to cancel, extend, advertise at the same as own discretion. All applicants are required to fill the Google form via http://tinure.com DHS Meghalaya. Te kaling labu ya kane kaling Google form ngan bu apa ka description te ki bok don interest bakwa ban apply nam ta kini post kila ban pha lengba katuka Google Form ya ki jibaro ki jinon kam jong pi phaban submit lengba ka Google Form te kelas dit kan de khatwai tarik jong u April te tangi nei publish bun